So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manav. So in this Python series, we are just learning about conditional statement today. Okay. So let's get started without any further delay. Okay. So let me move to my board. Okay. So like we have this code base and we have this code block and we have this code block. You can say like this is a A, this is one, and this in second. Okay. So from this both code block we have to execute either one or either two. So in both of them we'll have to execute one code block. So in that condition we are just using it if else statement in Python. Okay, so just moving with the code. Okay, so I have written the simple code. We are just inputting. So this is the method input using we take a input from a user and we are just doing conversion here. So we are just converting whatever number is given by a user to integer and we are just checking using it whether this number is more than the 10 or more less than 10. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, if I input let's say 4, so less than 10, so this code will be executed, this code block will be executed. Okay, and let's say if I enter 14, so more than 10, so this code block will be executed. Okay, okay, so now we'll moving ahead with the multiple condition. So like example, if we can take one number from a user, enter number between 1 to 10, enter any number between 1 to 10. Okay, then we'll do casting here, we'll cast this to integer. Okay, okay, then we'll check here condition if either number is greater than equal to 10 and number is less than equals to 0, then this should print, this should print, think it should be like this. Okay, then it should be this should print plus enter number again. Okay, and we'll take again this number, or else we'll print uh number is pass. Okay. So this is the simple formula, simple code. What we are doing, we are just taking a number between 1 to 10 from a user. Okay, and we are checking whether number is more than 10 or less than 10. Okay, okay, let's take put or not and. Okay, let me give number 6 or -2. Okay, so it's asking again, let's give 12. Okay, so it should take on a number again. Okay, and we have entered it, but we have not print anything. So let print number here again. Let new number is, new number is let's create this substring and put here number. Okay, Okay, let's take this one, or we can put here one. Okay, okay, okay. We give it -5. It's asking again, then I'll give 2. Okay, so it's printed new number is 2. So this code will be executed correctly. Okay, now code again, then we are just entering 5, 4. So if you can see, it's going on and else condition. This code will be executed. This code block will be executed. Okay. So now I want to explain you this or what we have written, because you can write multiple condition in a single line. Okay. When based on the business logic and based on your requirement. Okay. So let me open my this. Okay. So what is a and? When we have both the condition are true, okay, then it should true. If both one are true and one are false, in both condition it given false, and both are false, then it giving false. Okay, in or what happening, both condition are true, then it's giving true. In in both condition, if either one is true and one is false, then it's also given true. In our case, it's happening same, either this will be true or either this will be true. So that is why it's giving it's going under this. Okay, so this condition we have already used it in our code. Okay, if I both are false, then it should return a false. Okay, and either one is true, one is false. One is false, then one is true. This is not get. Okay, so hope you guys has already understand this. So this is very simple. Okay, now we're moving ahead with another uh, uh, concept which is called elif. So what is elif? Let me write one code. Like we'll take marks from user. Okay, we'll convert it into integer input. Enter marks. Okay, if marks equal to uh equal to if marks greater than equal to 0 and marks should be less than equal to 100. So less than equal to, it should be less than like this. Okay, 100. Then we'll moving into upper and side block. Okay, we are putting I think this should be not works, we had to like this. Okay, then we are okay, we print here that the is marks is just we print a marks, whatever it's coming here, it is just marks. Okay, let me put a space here, then we'll check again condition. If marks is more than greater than equal to 40, then student will be pass. Student will be pass. Otherwise, it got failed. Failed. Okay. Or else. Okay. Now we put here else if condition. If marks is less than equal to 0, then print negative marks will not allowed. Okay, okay, and else part. So for now, just leave it else part. Okay. So now let's run the code first. Okay, let me explain you code first. Okay. Okay. So what we are doing it, we are just taking a marks from a user. We are just typecasting it. Okay. So we are just taking checking condition that marks is more than 0. Marks should be more than 0 and less than 100. So it should be between 0 to 100 range. If it's not going, it's not going, it should not more than 100, like 101, 1012, 1015, like likewise. Okay. If marks is greater than 40, so we have check so you can put a condition like this as well. Inside ifs, you can check another if as well. This is also possible. Okay, so we have check marks is more than 40, then student is passed. If it's less than 14, then student will be failed. Okay, then we have put another condition, which is marks is less than 0, means minus number someone has entered. So that's, then that case, that this will give a error message like negative marking will not allowed. Okay, so this is the if else if block. You can use it with the if whenever you need, based on a business logic and based on your requirement. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, let me put the marks like 3. So if you can see, it has print marks is 3 and student is failed. Okay, this block is executed. Let me run it again. Let me put 66. So now student will be pass. Let me run it again. Now I am entering -4. So negative marks is will not allow. So if you can see, it's going here. So likewise, you can put multiple condition. You can put if, you can use if inside if, you can use this if else if statement with the if. You can check multiple condition over here. So that is from my side. So this is the basic conditional statement for the Python. So hope you like this video. If you have any feedback, any suggestion, need any help, just put it in comment. I will reply with this. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.